Okay, let's go over homework 1.4b, number 6. Right, so f of x is given as 5 minus x, and we want to find the inverse function. Since we haven't talked about the formal way of finding the inverse, I'm gonna go over the use the informal method. Right, so this only works when the function is fairly simple. Alright, so look at the original function and try to think about what this function does. Right, so it looks like it takes an x value and then negate that x value, then add 5 to it. So you can see that you can say multiply by. So what f does is okay, so multiply by -1, right? Then add 5 to it, right? So that's basically what the original function f does, right? So we want to reverse this process. So f inverse in words, right? So we have to undo this guy first. So adding 5, so obviously we're gonna subtract 5, right? Then we have to divide by -1, so divide by -1, right? Which is not different from multiplying 1. It's the same thing. Alright, so we can see what it does is takes the x value, right? And the first thing you do is we have to subtract 5, right? Then after that, multiply or divide the whole thing by negative. So you just have to negate it. Right, so that will give us the inverse function. If you want, you can write it as 5 minus x, which is surprisingly exactly the same function as the original function. Alright, that's it.